Hey, for those of you that missed the notes on Friday, this is what we did. We were talking about ordered pairs. They are sets of numbers that identify a point on a graph or a landmark on a map. And we kind of reminded ourselves that our x-coordinate tells us to go left or right. This is also known as our run. And our y-coordinate goes up or down, and this is known as our rise. So to be successful with your product or project, the thing that you need to remember is how to go backwards to create a table of ordered pairs on a graph that has no points on it. So if you're looking closely at this graph right here, you'll notice that I actually don't have any points on this line, but it does in fact intersect, and it intersects 7 times on this line. So we're going to talk about that. First step that we're going to do is we're going to find a spot on the line where the line intersects with a cross or a plus sign made by the graph. So I'm going to use an orange marker here to highlight my first time that I noticed that. So if I follow the line up, I notice that right here, it intersects with that cross. So then it says my second step is to go ahead and make a dot. So I'll make a dot. And then I go backwards and find that coordinate pair from there. So I'm going to go back to my center or my origin, which is going to be right here, 0, 0. I go left or right for my y. So I know that my y goes first. So let's go left or right. We're going to go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, because that dot is on that -6. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write -6. Ooh, this marker is kind of junky. Then I had to count, and this should say count up or down for your y value. So from here, from that 0 line, I just go up 1. So my y is going to be a +1. If I go through and I locate another one, let's take that orange marker again and let's find another spot where it crosses, and I see one right there. So this line happens to cross on, this time we're going to go right, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, because that dot is on that third line. So we get a +3 x value. And then we have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So that explains the note. I'll come back with the project videos.